Class 5 Maths. Today we will start Chapter 2 Indian Number System. So we will study about larger number. What is 10 lakhs equal to? So 10 lakhs is equal to 100 lakh. 100 lakh is called 1 crore. So which is the greatest 7-digit number? So greatest 7-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. If you will add 1, you will get 1 crore, which is the smallest 8-digit number. So how many zeros are there in 1 crore? There are 7 zeros after 1 in 1 crore, which is the smallest 8-digit number. So how we will read the digit having crore? We have studied how to read the digit having lakh and 10 lakh. In this chapter we will study how to read crore. So you can see this is which digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is again a 8-digit number. So this is the place of ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and then crore. So this is 6 crore, 75 lakh, 34,680. So we can see the next number. It is 8 crore, 25 lakh, 74,800. So we can see the spelling of crore. C-R-O-R-E. Crore. Now we will find the greatest 8-digit number. The smallest 8-digit number was 1 crore. Now we will find out the greatest 8-digit number. That is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. If you will add 1, you will get smallest 9-digit number. So smallest 9-digit number will have 8 zeros after 1 and it is called 10 crore. How we will study a number which is having 9-digit number. So this is 65 crore 52 lakh 67,645. So this is how we have to read the number as well as write in words. Now place value chart. So before place value chart, we will study about a digit which is called 100 crore. Can you see? 100 crore. So 100 crore, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in 100 crore, it is having 10 digits. So it is smallest 10-digit number. And how many zeros are there? There are 9 zeros after 1. This number is 100 crore. Now we will see the place value chart up to 10 crore. So from right to left, we see that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 periods are there. And this period is unit. This period is of thousands. This period is of lakhs. This period is of crores. So ones, tens, 100 comes in unit period. Then 1,000, 10,000 come in thousand period. 1 lakh, 10 lakh come in lakh period. 1 crore, 10 crore come in crore period. Now we will see some examples. Example 1, page number 7. Express each of the following numeral in words. we have to write the numerals in words, but we have to be careful that while writing the numeral, no need to write the period in plural form. It should be in singular form, like 3 crore 76 lakh 48,715. So here you see the crore, CRORE, not CRORES. It should be CRORE. Here lakh, 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 not LAKHS, and 1000, THOUSAND, and 750. So some more example we can see. Example D, 36 crore 48 lakh 72,075. So this is how we can write the number name or write the numeral in words. So this is the chart of number. This is place value chart of the given number A, B, C, D of example 1. Then example 2. Write the numeral for each of the following. So number name or the number in words has been given and we have to write the number name into numeral. 7 crore 26 lakh 85,124. So here they have made one place value chart, and in this, since 7 crore is there, so 7 is in the place of crore. Then for 26 lakh, it is 26 lakh. 26 lakh. Then 85,124. So here by putting a commas in between, the number has been written, or the number which was given in word was written in numeral form. Give the expanded form of the following numbers. So here the number are given. It is also a 8-digit number. So we will write the 8-digit number in expanded form. So here it is 3 crore plus 70 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 6. So this number has been written in expanded form. Now opposite of expanded form, we can see example 4. It is compact form. Give the compact form of the following numbers. So it is 7 crore. Here is 80 lakh. Here is 4 lakh. Here is 60,000. Here is 4,000. Here is 100. Here is 90 and then 5. So it is 7 crore 84 lakh 64,195. Now we will go to example 5. Give the period and place value of the underlined digit of the following number. So we have to write the period as well as the place value of the given number. So from right to left we will find the place value as well as period. So here is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So it is the period of lakh. LAKHS. It is the period of lakh. And the place value is 9 into 1 lakh, that is 9 lakh. Again we will see the next number. B. Example 5. B. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is the period of crore. CRORES. Crores. And the place value is 6 into 1 crore, that is 6 crore. Now we will start exercise 2A, page number 9. Write the number name for each of the following. So we have to write the number name. It is a 8-digit number. So here it is 1 crore 21 lakh 43,654. Full stop. So here we have written the number name 1 crore 21 lakh 43,654. Second, write the numeral for each of the following. Either give space or put a comma at the proper place. So we have to write the number either by putting commas or by putting space in between the period of the given number. So 8 crore 70 lakh 50,000 680. So this is the given numeral for the number name. So in one number B, C and D you will do, and in two number also B, C, D and E is homework. You will practice it and you will feel very much easy to do the given question. Now we will write the number in expanded form. So here the given number is 1 crore 28 lakh 14,601. So how you will write the expanded form? So here is 1 crore. So first of all we will write 1 crore. Then 20 lakh. Then 8 lakh. Then 10,000. Then 4,000. Then 600. Since here is 0, so you will write 0 and 1. So this is the expanded form. So for 16 crore 22 lakh 81,946 you will write the expanded form up to E number. Question number 4. Give the compact form of the following. Now we will do the opposite of expanded form. So here you can see it is how much the number? Yes, correct. It is 20 crore. Here what is the number? Okay, 6 crore. Then it is 80 lakh. Very good. Then 4 lakh. Then 20,000. Then 7,350. And then 6. So we will write it. So 26 crore. 84 lakh 27,356. Very easy. So B, C, D and E is for you to practice. Okay, now we will go to exercise 2A, question number 5. Write the period of the digit underlined in each of the following. So we have to write the period. So from right to left we will see what is the period. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So either it is 10 lakh or lakh. It will come in the period of lakh. See B number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it comes in the period of crore. Question number 6. Write the place value of the underlined digit in each of the following. A. So we have to find out the place value. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 8 will be multiplied with 1 lakh and we will get the place value of 8, that is 8 lakh. C. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So we will multiply 9 with 10 crore and we will get the place value of 9, that is 90 crore. Similarly, in question number 5, C and D, and in question number 6, B and D, we can do it. Number 7. Write the period and place value of the underlined digit in the following. So we have to write the period as well as place value of the given digit which is underlined. So here in A number we can see digit 6 is underlined. So we will find out the period first. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it is the period of crore. And the place value 6 will be multiplied with 1 crore, that is 6 crore. So we have to find out the period of 6 in B number, then place value of 6, then C, D and E. Question number 8. Find the difference between the place value of. So here we can see the two fours. Here the digit given, it is 7 crore 48 lakh 65,421, and in this question we have to find out the place value of 4. So here are two 4, one is here and another one is here, and we have to find out the difference. That means from the greater 4 digit number, from the greater 4 place value, we will subtract the smaller 4 place value number. So here we can see that the first 4 is having place value ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, that is 40 lakh, minus ones, tens, hundred. So next 4 it is having a place value of 400. Then after subtracting the number which you will get, we have to write. See in B number, the two 8s in 8. So one is here and another one is here. We have to find out the first we have to find out the place value of 2 8. Then after that we will subtract it and then we will get the number. So here is 8 crore minus 80,000. Now we will subtract it. So you know how to subtract it. Suppose so 0 minus 0, 0. Now here 8. So here 0 is there. So we will borrow from the next number. 8 will become 7, this 0 will become 9, this will 9, and this will become 10. So 10 minus 8, that is 2. Then 9, 9, 7. So the number is 7,99,20,000. So C, D, E. In C number, we have to find out the difference of place value of 5. In D, we have to find out the difference of place value of 2. And in E, we have to find out the difference between place value of 6. Now, arrange the following in ascending and descending order. The meaning of ascending order is from smaller to bigger, and the meaning of descending order is from bigger to smaller. So, both we have to write in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order is the opposite of descending order, and descending order is the opposite of ascending order. So first of all, you have to count the number of digit. Which digit number this is? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 8-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7-digit number. So by counting the number of digit, we can find out first the greater and the smaller. So this is the greatest number and this will be the smallest number, because this is 7-digit number and this one is 9-digit number, and these two are having 8. So these are similar. So first of all, from left to right, we will find out the number. So here is also 8 and here is also 8. So we will go to the next number. So here is 6 and here is 2. So this will become the second number and this will become the third number. So here we will write in ascending order. So ascending order. 23,16,348. Then the next number is 8,26,99,678. Then the next number is 8,62,16,438. Then the next number is 45 crore 42 lakh 18,089. So this is ascending order, and the opposite of ascending order is descending order. So this number will become first, because descending means from greater to smaller. So this will be the first number in descending order. Then this number, now page number 12. Here also 4 questions are there, and we have to arrange the given number in ascending order as well as descending order. Now number 10, question number 10, page number 12. Write the smallest and the largest number using each digit only once. We have to use the digit only once and form the smallest as well as the greatest or the largest number with these number only. So first of all, we will find out the smallest number, because we have to make smallest number. So 1, after that which number is there? 3, then 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So this is the number. We will put the comma. So the number we are getting is 13,45,689. Then the largest number. We have to only start from right and then like 9, then 8, 8, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 1. So from right to left we have to write here and we will get the largest number. Now we will put the comma. So the largest number we get is 98,65,431. So if in any number, if 0 is there, so we will see in C number. Question number C. Here we can find out 0 is there. So for smallest number, we will not start with 0. We will start the next number which is smaller after 0, that is 1. So from 1 we will start, then we will write 0. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number we are getting is 1,02,34,567. And the largest number we will make, from 7 we will start. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here we can end with 0, but for making a smallest number we will not start with 0 because it will one number will be missing. If you will start from 0, it will become, see here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8-digit number. If you will start with 0, it will become 7-digit number, which is not the required answer. So like this you will put, and after writing the number we will put the comma. So the largest number is 7,65,43,210. Now question number 11. Which is the largest 5-digit number? So we have to find out the largest 5-digit number. So the largest 5-digit number is, see how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. Okay. And for largest 5-digit number, the greatest number is 9. So we have written 9 5 times. Similarly, for largest 7-digit number, you have to write 9 7 times. So you will get the largest 7-digit number. We can see here. After putting the comma, the largest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. So question number 12. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? So for smallest 5-digit number, after 1 we have to write the number of zeros. So including 1, it should become 5 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 5-digit number and 4 zeros are there after 1. So you will put comma. So the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. See here, 7 for 7-digit number, smallest 7-digit number. After 1 you will put 6 zeros. So this is 10 lakh. The smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. Now page number 13. Successor and predecessor. How we can find out the successor? Successor of a number is +1. You will add at unit place or ones place 1 and you will get the successor of the given number. If you want predecessor, then you will subtract 1 and you will get the predecessor of the given number. See here, example 1. Write the successor of the following number. So the number is 47,67,999. So we will add 1 at ones place. So what number we are getting? So +1, 9, +1, 0, 1, again 0, 1, 0. So we are getting 47,68,000 is the required number. That is the successor of this number. Here B also, this 7, if you add, if at one's place 7, 7 with 7 1 is added at one's place, it will become 8. So the required number is 2,87,65,838. Now we will find out the predecessor. So in predecessor we have to subtract 1 at one's place. So 6 minus 1, that is 5, and the number which is here we will write as that 4, 5, 6, like this we have to write. So this is called predecessor. So the given number was 57,86,546, but we have to find out the predecessor of the given number, that is -1, and after subtracting 1 we are getting 57,86,545, which is the required answer. Now comparison of number. Example 1. How we can compare a given number? We have to compare and find out which is greater or smaller. Which number is greater and which number is smaller and which number is equal to. So we have to compare the given number by seeing, first of all we have to count the number, which digit number the given number is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a 8-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is a 7-digit number. So obviously this 8-digit number is greater as compared to 7-digit number. But if the number are equal, then from left to right we will find which number is greater. See here the next number, 47,63,841, which is a 7-digit number, and here also 7-digit number. So here also 4, here also 4. Then we will go to the next number. Here also 7, here also 7. Then we will go to thousand place. Here also 6, here also 6. Then the next place, here 3 and here 7. So here is 3 and here is 7. 7 is greater. So this number is greater, that is 47,67,215. Now ascending